What the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day that you guys are gonna find out who wins the 20,000 subscriber giveaway, and that is a Modern Diesel hat and a Modern Diesel shirt. Will go to 2 people. But first, I gotta get a haircut. Like, look at this hair, man. This stuff's crazy. I usually get like a haircut like once every like 6 or 7 months, and then I just like maintain it myself. But like, so here's the before. Ready? Bam! What do you think? What do you think? Looking good, looking real good. Now we gotta go rinse all this out. Alrighty, guys, we made it back to the garage and it's freezing in here. But anyways, guys, real quick, I want to thank everyone who entered into this 20,000 subscriber giveaway. I really did enjoy this. This was an awesome thing. This is my first ever giveaway I've ever done like this on like YouTube and stuff. I just want to thank everyone who took the time to like that picture and comment, follow me. You guys are so incredible, and I'm gonna try to do a whole bunch more giveaways in the future. Like I said, I really enjoyed this, so follow me at Modern Diesel Corey on Instagram to stay up to date with more giveaways and stuff like that, and you guys can see what I'm doing like on my normal day. But all right, let's cut to the chase. The first winner for a Modern Diesel hat and a Modern Diesel shirt, not a hoodie, a t-shirt, but it'll just be like this pocket style logo, Modern Diesel right on the pocket style, and then that hat. The first person to win is you ready? Can I get a drum roll? Bam! At schmuck_24V for 24 valve. Go check him out, go give him a follow on his Instagram, blow him up and say, hey, you were the winner for the Modern Diesel 20,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm also going to get in contact with you also, get your address, and you're going to have some sweet Modern Diesel merch coming your way. So there you have the numero uno winner. I'm not doing any more giveaways, I'm only doing one. Gotcha, bitch! No, I'm kidding. So now the number 2 winner is, man, it's super, my hair's short on the sides and my head's freezing. Okay. So the number 2 winner is, we're gonna go find out right now. Let's check it out. Okay, so, okay, not in there. I know it's in one of these drawers somewhere. Oh, right there. Okay, there it is, right there. At Platty_Parker, PLATI_Parker. This is the number 2 winner for the Modern Diesel hat and Modern Diesel shirt. There you guys go. Blow him up on Instagram. Let him know that he's the winner for the Modern Diesel 20,000 subscriber giveaway. Like the previous one, I will be in contact with you shortly, and I will get your information, and we're going to send some sweet merch your way. Oh, okay. All right, guys, so there you go. There is your number 2 winner for the second half of the first ever giveaway on the Modern Diesel channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Modern Diesel Corey. I'm going to do a whole bunch more giveaways like I previously said. I really liked it, and I want to give back to you guys for making this channel so awesome. The Modern Diesel family going strong. We already hit like 21,000 subscribers, so we're already up 1,000 subscribers since the initial start of the 20,000 giveaway. But yeah, guys, when I started this YouTube channel, I never even thought it would be anything like this, and it has turned into something so awesome. I met so many people already. I've done so many cool things. I have so many sweet things planned. It's just such a cool thing, and I just absolutely love it. If there's anything out there that you guys want to do and you haven't done, seriously, just take the initiative and go for it. Okay. Do it. Do it. That's what I did on this YouTube channel. I knew nothing about video cameras. I've always been interested in that stuff, but I didn't know how to film stuff. I didn't know how to edit. I was like super horrendous on the camera, which I still am. And I just started going for it, and it's turned into something, you know, very, very awesome. And I'm very fortunate to have, you know, you guys out there, my viewers, for the channel, and I just want to thank you guys. Don't let your dreams be dreams. So keep an eye out this week. I'm going to run some flash sales on our MDM Performance website. So hit the link in the description if you guys are interested in some POWERSTROKE parts or, you know, some sweet Modern Diesel merch. Do it. Everything you buy on that website goes to supporting this channel here. Do it. And I'm definitely going to throw out some, you know, flash sales on maybe like an Easy Link or a support pack or, you know, an exhaust or something like that. So just make sure you guys keep your eye out for those. Do it! But that is it for today, guys. I appreciate you guys so much, and thank you for following the channel, and thank you for participating in the 20,000 subscriber giveaway. My phone is literally going off over there because I'm supposed to be on a diaper run, but I'm filming a video here for you guys. But that's it. I'm going to the store. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the Modern Diesel family. As always, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace!